In this video, we're going to be creating isometric shape number 6 using Autodesk Inventor. To do this, first we'll make our basic outline of a rectangular prism and then do some editing to that overall shape, some subtractive techniques. So first we need to look at the overall dimension of the shape we have. If we count, we can see it's about 9 long and then 5 tall. 2 and 3 is 5, and then 5 wide as well. So that's what we'll start off creating. So we'll start 2D sketch. Again, I'm going to go on the XY plane, and I'm going to just start with a rectangle. And we said it was 9 long, so I'm going to extend it out and type 9, hit tab, and then type 5 for my height, and then enter. Once I'm done, I can finish that sketch. If you want to see your shape better, you can zoom out and see that shape. And then we want to extrude it. Again, we said it was 5 deep as well, so I'm going to extrude it a depth of 5. And hit OK. Next, to do the triangle cutout here on the side, you could either sketch a triangle and extrude cut it. In this case, I'm just going to use the chamfer tool and do it as one quick swoop. So I'm just going to hit the chamfer tool and I'm going to click this corner. And if we count, we see it goes in 5 in both directions. So I'm going to hit 5 and it cuts it down all the way to the base and all the way over the 5 I need. So I'm going to hit OK and that applies that. So now I've cut this edge here. You can see I got 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So I've done it correctly. Now we have to make this rectangular cutout into here. To do that, all I'm going to do is start on the edge and do the rectangle. So if we look, it's 1, 2, 3 tall. And if we count all the way over on the base, it looks to be 7 long. So we'll go 7 there. So I'm just going to start a 2D sketch on this outside face. Then I'm going to use my rectangle tool and start in the top corner. And I wasn't in top corner, so I'll restart that one. Make sure you got the green dot when you click. I didn't have a green dot, so I want to make sure I got that dot in the right spot. If we zoom in again, I can see I didn't do it correctly. You can see I'm not correct. So we want to make sure we get that green dot. So rectangle. If I zoom in, maybe I can get the green dot. Now I got my green dot. So I want to go over 7. So I type in the 7, hit tab, and then down 3. Enter. That gives me the rectangle I'm looking for. Then I'm going to finish sketch. And I'm going to do an extrude cut. So I'm going to hit extrude. I'm going to change to the second one, cut. And then I want to cut back. If we look back at our image, 3. And that's going to cut back that 3. Now we should have an image that matches our shape we were looking for. And we do. So that's all how to make isometric shape number 6. Hopefully this video helps in your creation.